Good morning to one and all. As this week is dedicated to celebrate the School Foundation Day, I am happy to come once again to remind you about the backbone of this institution. Yesterday, we heard her name, Blessed Mary of the Passion. Today, let us prepare ourselves to know more about this eminent personality, her life, vision and mission.
When a person searches for God, he comes closer to her. When she surrenders, God works through her. Blessed Mary of the Passion, the foundress of our school and of the congregation of the Franciscan Missionaries of Mary, from her childhood was in search of God. Through very many trials and life experiences, she was able to find Him in the daily events of her life as she opened her heart to His action. The personality of the Blessed Mary of the Passion was influenced by her environment, and from her childhood through adolescence, her character began to show significant traits. These traits were eventually to point to tendencies, values, attitudes, and desires which enriched her throughout the course of her life. With joy, we present to you this small video clipping of the history of Blessed Mary of the Passion.
From her tenderest years until the end of her life, Mary of the Passion, a profoundly intuitive woman, let herself be led by the Spirit, ever increasingly aware and in wonderment at His presence in her and around her. Who was she? How did she let herself to be led? Born on 21st May 1839, Tuesday of Pentecost in Nantes, France, into a noble Christian family, Helen Marie Philippine de Chapotin, in religion, Mary of the Passion, showed from childhood eminent natural gifts and a deep faith. She sought to know the reason for all around her, and questioning herself, she discovered within her to the present Spirit in all and in the whole world, an opening towards more light. In April 1856, during a retreat, she first experienced a call from God, who revealed Himself in her during the Eucharistic benediction, "I will always love you more than you will love me," and called her to a life of total consecration. The unforeseen death of her mother changed her life and plans completely.
In December 1860, with the consent of the Bishop of Nantes, she entered the poor class whose ideal of the simplicity and poverty of Saint Francis of Assisi attracted her. On 23rd January 1861, while still a postulant, she had another profound experience of God, who invited her to offer herself as a victim for the Church and the Pope, according to the expression of the time. This experience marked her for life. On the 15th August 1864, the feast of the Assumption, she took the habit of the Reparatrix and received the name Mary of the Passion.
In March 1865, while still a novice, she was sent to India to the Apostolic Vicariate of Madurai, confided to the Society of Jesus. It was there that she pronounced her temporary vows on 3rd May 1866. The gift she asked for and obtained on this day was love of Mary. Because of her gifts and virtues, she was nominated local superior, and then in July 1867, she was named provincial superior of the 3 convents of the Reparatrice. Mary of the Passion, who desired true charity, suffered bitterly. Even her faith was strongly put to the test. Moreover, her health had become more fragile. God continued to act in her. In 1874, a new house was founded in Uttakamand, in the Vicariate of Coimbatore, confided to the Paris Foreign Mission Society. The Apostolic Vicar of Coimbatore, Bishop Bado, wanted to open an orphanage and 2 schools, one English and the other Tamil, in Uttakamand in the Nilgiri Hills. Mary of the Passion stayed here up to November 1876.
On 6th January 1877, Mary of the Passion obtained the approval from Pope Pius IX for the foundation of a new institute, especially destined for universal mission, and was to be called the Missionaries of Mary, the first missionary community of women founded by a woman. The work of Mary of the Passion bears witness to the authenticity of her charism and of her universal vision of mission.
Prayer. O God, in your admirable providence, you led your servant, Blessed Mary of the Passion, to found an institute dedicated to universal mission. Now that your church counts her among the blessed, grant us the graces we ask of you through her intercession. Grant above all that we may learn from her how to be always ready to do your will and to grow steadfastly in your love. Amen.